America Trip, Part 11.
No.
This is our last day with my sister and her family before they fly back home, and this moment is something we'll always treasure. We went to Jolla Cove. We arrived a bit late, but it didn't matter. Sometimes it's not about the time, it's about who you're with. We walked around, felt the ocean breeze, and just enjoyed the vibe. Then suddenly, we saw them. Wow, the sea lions, so cute, so alive. Moments like these, you don't plan, you just experience.
God, there's a sun. There's a sun. Hello, wake up.
And the kids? Just playing with bubbles. Simple joy, but the best kind. Quick stop at Parakeet Cafe, and yes, we love their coffee, especially the pink cup. Then we ended the night with Filipino food, and nothing beats that feeling. Good food with family.
Say good morning.
The next day, it was time to say goodbye. We didn't get to film everything, but maybe that's okay, because some moments are meant to be felt, not captured. Day 22. We visited Belmont Park, and wow, the sunset here just hits different. Sunsets are a proof that endings can be beautiful too. We walked around, arcades, roller coasters, food everywhere. Say and Denzel even played games. And yeah, they went all in. So many little moments, but they all matter. Night, we went for dessert at Ant's Electronic Repair. And wow, this place is something else. So nostalgic, so artistic. And of course, the ice cream, so good.